whether on cut grass or sell bug juice, as long as you know not beg a boy nothing, as long as nobody not style you know for nothing, as long as them people them rate, you know what I mean? People will hold out more time and I watch the world and I compare in the life and I get distracted by materialistic things. Big up the real hustler, them I take them time to make the money. Slow progress is better than no progress, and you have to know that blood clot. You see me I say? Yeah man, really sweet. So you know the thing.
Release the dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, boss and coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another? But as usual guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Wagwan peeps, happy Tuesday to y'all beautiful people. Yes, y'all made it. But anyway peeps, no itching right now. I get right in at the thing. Vybz Kartel, I gotta get baptized. Mellow Vybz J.A. share a little thing. A testimony from Vybz Kartel, the world boss right now. It's a long thing, but I just read a little paragraph and hear what go on and thing and just make you know. Alright, so this a Vybz Kartel testimony. A part of it at least. Recording song has been my getaway in prison. Since that privilege has been taken away from me, I have had some time to search my soul. I have had the chance to find what I was looking for, out in the world. I had all the money I needed. I had all the beautiful wife, beautiful children, and could get about any woman I wanted. But I also felt like something was missing from my life. There was always this emptiness that no amount of girls, jewelry, guns, so-called friends, and cars could fill. So peeps, if you don't want to see the rest of everything else, go read up and go check it out on over Sparky page, right? Because it's a whole lot of stuff. It's a long thing. But my question is, me no know. Cause it's so funny. Even if you look up here so right now, even the boy scatter barrel, the boy they not easy, you know, boy scatter here. I'll scatter a comment and I say, I myself have decided to give my life to sweet Jesus and accept him as my personal Lord and Savior. I am sorry, Mr. Vegas. You gotta fight this battle yourself. Me know scatter barrel does a cap right there, so him a cap. You know what I mean? Somebody must have hack in page. Me not believe that. But anyway, peeps, don't you believe this? When you believe the Vybz Kartel are baptized, or is just another publicity stunt for your upcoming album or stuff like that? Is it him gonna do a gospel album and all them thing there? I don't know. Something in or something. But me nah say God can't change people, you know, cause remember say God changed Saul, you know. Saul was a man with just persecute the church back then, you know, and God change him. Look on ladies and enough other artists and all them things, they will change them life around, but me no know. Me I take that one here with a grain of salt, you know, cause me no really believe it fully. Make we see it, you know what I mean? But as I say, check out Sparky, ZJ Sparks page. Guess what? I'm gonna left the link down here so you can read, see, and read up more upon what going regarding Vybz Kartel and him baptism or getting baptized and stuff like that. So yeah, next video now. Alright peeps, we'll go to the next clip. This one is provided by TVJ. So shout outs to TVJ for that one. I just want to know, see this and hear this and leave in the thoughts, cause this is crazy.
2 men are dead and 1 in custody after they attempted to rob residents in Cane Heap, St. Mary. As we hear in this report from Cody and Barrett, the robbery went terribly wrong for the criminals when residents took matters into their own hands.
It was a wild goose chase in the wee hours of Friday night for residents and police after a group of men entered the community of Cane Heap, St. Mary, attempting to rob residents. According to Police Chief Superintendent Robert Morgan Simpson, about 10:45 p.m., the men went to the home of a mechanic in the Hopewell district to seek help to fix a vehicle.
In the act of assisting them to fix their vehicle, they would have attacked him and he was stabbed all over his body. He managed to escape the men and he ran into nearby bushes. The men made their getaway in the motor car that they were trying to fix.
It's understood that the son of the injured mechanic quickly got into his motor vehicle and pursued the men. He ran his vehicle into the back of the getaway car, damaging it and preventing the assailants from escaping. The police were then called.
The men, upon seeing the police, ran into nearby bushes. The men, in their bid to escape the area, would have gone to a nearby community where they tried to steal a Toyota Axio motor car from a resident there.
Residents were alerted and the men ran from the scene. One resident said he knew something was wrong when he saw 3 strange men running in his direction.
So nobody with the phone and I'm rob, not turn this way.
Residents then came together to search the area, and when they found the men, they went on the attack.
The men ran into the riverbed where they were set upon by the residents and they were chopped. 2 died, the other was apprehended and he was handed over to the police and he is now in custody at the Richmond station. He's been questioned.
Upon further investigations, police discovered that the motor car which the men were seeking help to fix is a stolen vehicle from Kingston. Investigations are ongoing, but police believe 2 more men were involved. Codian Barrett, TVJ News.
Yo, that rough, but boy, sometimes enough is enough. Jungle justice.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk! Oh!
Bitch, what? Mom, slam on the brakes.
See man that follow you, the Cheryl. See it there. See it there. See it there, man. See it there. Bombard! Yo!
The great bossa, working night, my boss. Man of sorrows. Man of strength. Watching me. Watching me. Don't watch him now. Don't watch him now. Don't watch him on the man. Watch him on the man. Watch him on got to work the man. What a cuz, what that? Brace him on him chest. Easy now, man. Behave now, man. Yo, we tell you to get the phone, you know. Salute your youth. Easy now, man. Easy now, man. Salute your youth. Easy now, man. Push up your chest like a chicken. Yo! Wah! Hope you enjoy all of them videos and ting. Hear my thoughts on the whole matter right now. Them man there, we are going around and a thief things. Better if you did there on the yard and I look at work and all them things there and try to earn an honest living. You not be alive today. 2 of you dead now. 1 gang go lock up. Just waste your life away. I understand so the struggle is real. and thing, but we have to try to find a way to max out everything. So I hope that you there who get locked up can spend some time and just reflect on life and just change him life and know say God was definitely on his side. Massacre, a real talk can make. Vybz Kartel, boy, something in that. I don't know, I have to make that something there play out still. I know say with God all things are possible, but yeah, something, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's an album, he might go drop a gospel album, I don't know. But if God really use him, yeah, you know what I mean, a good thing that, you know what I mean? That woman there we have been up though. That been up something there though. I'm worried. And that brother there we pick the pocket right there. So, brother, yeah, wicked. Yeah, wicked, brother. Hope somebody find you and lock you up still. Big man thing. But anyway, peeps, leave your comments down below. And just give me a feedback on the whole matter. And thing, sorry me never get for post early on in the week and even down to last week. I start the back road show up on the road and thing. Nothing big and stuff like that, but you know what I mean, for a little while now, or a couple weeks going forward now, I won't be able to upload as often, but I try my best for just do it early up in the week, because I think like Wednesdays right down to Saturday, that's the time when I really dip on the road, or if anything change, I'll definitely upload and thing. But yeah, but thank you very much for watching. Follow me on IG, Sinus Gaming, and think PSYNOS Gaming, GAMING, and yeah, let's go on journey with your boy. Ah, shoo!
Yeah, yeah.